See what I can do. Here we go. Strata 116. Since when? Good luck, everyone. See what we can't find in here. Got a Gordon, Hilton, Wilson, and a Denard, yellow. Thomas and Murray. We've gotten lucky so far. Got Bradford, Patterson, a Mettenberger, die cut. Gilbert, Pryor, and Ellington. Watt, Witten, Foles, Thomas, die cut. Hogman and Coleman. Colston, Garcon, Stacy, yellow. Murphy, Crichton, and Heron. McCoy, Murray, Clinton Dix, 88 of 150. Gold for the Packers. That's 4-tier. Nicholas, Clowney, and Morris. Got a Reed. There's a nice one. Sammy Watkins, 7 of 50. Nice 3-color patch. For the Bills, that's 4-tier. Nice hit. And a Mettenberger. Vereen, Davis, Gronk, got a Matthews, yellow, Sankey, and Buchanan. Bryant, Stafford, Roethlisberger, got a Buchanan, yellow, Matthews, and Roby. Kuechly, Crabtree, Manning, Sam, McCarron, and Taliaferro. And for both autos yet. Griffin, Ball, Jeffrey, Josie, Thomas, and Benjamin. Unibrow. Unibrow's on TV. Man, that thing is huge. Cameron, Locker, and a Nelson die cut. Rogers, West, and Hill. Bell, Flacco, Johnson. Mosley, Seastrunk, and Millard. Spiller, Harvin, and Johnson. Romo, yellow. Norwood, and there's a Beckham. Finally, Jericho. Green, Ridley, Welker, Fitzgerald, yellow. Barr and Luan. We still got 2 hits left. Marshall, Cobb, there it is. Marion Grice, 99 of 150. Gold auto. For the Chargers, this is Reggie, G-I-E. Nice hit. Richardson, McKinnon, and Mack. Nelson, Gore, and Pierre Paul. Robinson, Watkins, and Verrett. Charles, Foster, and a Murray, die cut. Van Noy, Gilbert, and Shaw. Last pack. Palomalu. And an Andre Williams clear cut. Auto relic. 63 of 150. For the Giants. Who is that? Who's the Giants? Jericho. Nice hit. 63 of 150. Nice hit, Jericho. And Crowell. That's going to do it for Strata 116.